So my first introduction with ESCO and AVT actually started in our Bardstown, Kentucky facility, where we replaced some of our older systems that were not AVT. And that plant, I kind of watched and observed how they ran, and it really worked well for them for inspection. At this location, we had a different need. We decided to more automate our front-end process by slitting in line. And when you slit in line, we remove the traditional color bars that we would measure in an offline process. So we needed a different system. We still needed that inspection, but we needed a different system to be able to give us that color monitoring and measurement in line. Fuji Seal is a global company. We have 32 manufacturing locations. This location is primarily focused on shrink sleeve operations, and we're a flexographic printing company. For us, we take labels and provided art, and then we will print the labels on the wide web CI Flexo press. We will convert, warehouse, and make to order or make to ship.
The Argus Turbo HD for us has been fantastic. It has great clarity. It has the speed to give you real-time data. It works fantastic with the SpectraLab and with the downstream unit. The downstream camera unit for us, which is mainly for Varnish, it's really a great system to be able to see Varnish. What you really can't see with your own eyes, the illumination control makes it fantastic for making sure it's in register.
There's a lot of benefits to being able to measure color inline outside of just the inline slitting process. It helps us during the course of the run. Should an operator make a wrong ink adjustment, we can catch it in real time, as opposed to only being able to see what happened after you've already printed the material. So having real-time feedback on color measurement is extremely important in trying to reduce operational scrap and while improve efficiencies. So we've really put an emphasis on making sure that we supply perfect labels. And to date, we've really had no complaints as far as color at this particular point. For me, that was extremely important. We've also not had any complaints as far as any print defects that have gotten out into the market.
Overall, the system is very user-friendly. There's only a few steps really in order to be able to begin detecting or scanning a job. So the defect detection, for people that aren't as experienced in printing, it will flag defects instantly. And then it logs it. So you could click on the defect, then you could click the go-to function. It'll take you right to where the defect was. Then you can scan the lane and look to see if it's still there. If it is still there, you'll know to stop the press right away. It's great on detecting the problem instantly. Ink slings, plate lifts, dirty print, skipping, missing ink. It will catch it all instantly. You can change the tolerances. So the benefit of the Argus system is to know for sure that each repeat you're running, that the colors are passing from the beginning of the roll to the end of the roll. If you do it traditionally, like where you just check the tear-off sheet at the end of the roll, you check it with the X-Rite, that's good, but what about all of the meters or all the footage that was in between the beginning and the end? The good thing about the SpectraLab system is you can know the colors past the entire roll. It'll give you more confidence in knowing that you're sending a good product, a sellable product. I've used AVT on and off for the 11 years I've been in Flexo. This one is the most advanced. This is the best system of all the ones I've used.
I think the system helps us be better printers in the sense of it really holds us accountable to ensure that we are capturing everything. In essence, we have no excuse because we are seeing everything that should actually come up during normal commercial printing.